I love this avocado salad with crunchy cucumbers so much that I could eat it every day. It's easy to make and you can serve it in multiple ways, as a standalone salad, a side, and even as a chunky salsa. Grab a big bowl and squeeze in some fresh lime juice. You are looking for 3 tablespoons, then drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For a bit of heat, we need to mince jalapeno. I remove the seeds and membrane first since they hold most of the pepper's heat. You can leave some in if you'd like. Toss in a little salt, then some fresh herbs. Cilantro is a no-brainer here, but parsley, dill, mint, or a combination are all excellent. Finally, mince or grate in some garlic. A half to 1 small clove is perfect. Now for cucumber and avocado, I love thinner skinned cucumbers. If your cucumber has a thicker skin, peel some or all of it. 2 medium avocados are perfect for this salad, just cut into a similar size as the cucumber. Add the cucumber and avocado to the dressing and gently toss everything together. Enjoy!